Welcome students, hope you are all fine. Because of our current scenario, we have started an effort to teach our students via technology. This is our first session of class 8 maths and we have started unit number 1 operation on sets. Okay, we start with the definition of set. We have learned this definition in our previous classes. A collection of well-defined and distinct objects or symbols is called a set. The objects or symbols are called its members or elements. This is the list of some important sets and their notations. Set of natural numbers, its notation is n, and in mathematically we write it as n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Set of whole numbers, it is denoted by a w, and it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Finding a subset of a set. And we know that subset means part of a set. Sub means part. How we can find all the subsets of a set? I explain this through this example. If a set X has these elements A and B, so how we can find its number? Number of subsets is equal to 2 raised to power number of elements. So we can see that it has two elements A and B. So 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. So this set has 4 subsets. All subsets of set X. First of all, the empty set, then singleton set A, singleton set B, then set AB having two elements. So these are 4 subsets of set X. Subset has two categories. First of all, proper subset, then improper subsets. Proper subset. If A and B are two sets and every element of set A is also an element of set B, but at least one element of B is not the element of set A, then set A is called proper subset of B and it is denoted by this notation. Example of proper subset. Now you can observe this diagram. There are two sets A and B. A has three elements 1, 2, and 3, and B has five elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can also observe all the elements of A are also elements of B, but 4 and 5 are not the elements of set A. In this case, we can say A is proper subset of B. Improper subset. If A and B are two sets and set A is a subset of B and B is also a subset of A, then A is called an improper subset of B and B is an improper subset of A. You can also see these points. You can read them and these are very easy points to understand. Power set. A set containing all the possible subsets of a given set is called a power set of A and it is denoted by P of A. Here is an example of power set of A. How can we find out the power set of A? If A is a set having two elements A and B, then we know that how can we write its all possible subsets. Its possible subsets are empty, singleton set A. Singleton set means that a set having only one element. Singleton set B, and a set having two elements A, B. So if we write these elements as a collection, so this collection is called power set of A. Collection of elements empty, singleton set A, singleton set B, and AB. And here you can observe empty A and B, empty singleton set A, singleton set B. These are the proper subsets of set A. Empty is a subset of A, and by definition this is a subset of every set, and AB is an improper subset of set A. Okay students, keep it in mind that the members of power set of A are all subsets. These are not elements, these are subsets. So power set of empty is not empty, as number of subsets of empty is 2 raised to power 0, and this is equal to 1. So power set of empty has one element, that is empty. Uh, Students, now I hope that you can solve exercise 1.1 very easily. So solve these questions at home. Stay home, stay safe.